Recently, Boat launched these speakers, the Stone Arc series, the Arc, Arc Pro, and Plus. They are creating a lot of hype about it, so is it actually worth it or just a plus? Let's find out. Here's the shipping package from Boat. Generally, I order from Amazon, but this time I ordered it from the official website, and I'm regretting my decision a little bit. But let's see if the speaker is fine inside. So here is the retail box. So I can see they have improved the packaging. It looks better than their just typical black and red. And by the way, there are two colors with the speaker. One is this one, the blue one, and the other one is red and black. So I ordered this one. This looks better. So let's just quickly unbox it. Here is the speaker itself. Let's see what else is in the box. So here we get a couple of user manuals, stickers, and warranty card. Other than that, we get some cables. One is an aux cable and the other one is a USB Type-C cable, and it comes in this packet. Wow, they have improved the design a lot. It looks very premium, it feels very premium, and it is very dense. Here's the Boat logo. Anyways, let's test it out. So you get all your buttons on the side of the speaker. Here's the power on off, here's the play pause that directly goes beneath this flap. Here you have the SD card slot, you have the aux input, and you also have the USB Type-C for charging the device. On the other side, you don't have any other thing. On the front, you have the Boat logo. On the other side, you will find the RGB lighting, and on the top, you have the handle, which is very convenient to carry the speaker. Talking about the standard feature of this speaker is the RGB lights. It is very bright. As you can see, we have direct sunlight and we can still see the lights, and we can switch between 6 modes that you can do from the power button. Let's see. This is the first one. This is the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And you can even turn it off if you would like to. I think it looks better if you turn it on. And another thing I would like to highlight is that this syncs with your audio, so it sets a new level of mood. Design wise, if you look at the speaker, it's stunning to me. Like, first of all, how convenient it is to carry. You have this top handle that you can use to carry it around, and it feels like you're carrying a water bottle. On the bottom, you will find the rubber feet that will keep the speaker in place. So that's good. And you will find the Boat logo on the front, and around the speaker you will find this texture, this woven fabric that has this pretty cool looking texture. I think it's awesome. Now, talking about the weight of the speaker, it's 830 grams, which is decent, as you have this top handle which makes it very easy and convenient to carry. Otherwise, if you need lighter speaker, you can go for the Pro version, that is about 500 grams. You have drivers on the both side, on the front and on the back. This side has the base radiator, and on the other side you have the driver. And now, to add to the durability, it has IPX5 water rating, so it can take a little bit of water without any worries. Though there's no dust rating, and that's okay. Now, if you have two of those speakers, you can easily connect them with the help of TWS mode, and you can enjoy louder and stereo sound. Another feature of this speaker is that you get inbuilt microphone, so you can use the speaker to take calls directly from it, and this is what it sounds like. So this is the audio quality test of the Boat Stone Arc speaker. So this is what the other person would hear when you take the calls through the speaker. In terms of battery, we get 2200 mAh of battery that can last up to 12 hours at 50% of volume, which is great for all day use and considering the price. If you bump up the volume, you will get less backup, like for 5-6 hours depending on the volume. However, I think it's great and can last easily all day of use. Like, you generally play a couple of hours in a day. And to also charge this device, it takes about 2.5 hours, which is again decent. As I mentioned, you can use it to take calls, but you can also use it for voice assistant just by double pressing the power button, and then you can use the Google Assistant or Siri.
No way, gonna always share. Baby, I'm always ready. Doing this.
Talking about the sound quality of the speaker, we have 58mm driver on the RGB side, and we get a bass radiator on the Boat side that produces about 20 watts of output, which is very loud. I would say it can easily fill a medium-sized room with sound, and you can even use it outdoors sometime if you want to. Otherwise, the sound profile is decent. You will enjoy all genres like hip-hop, pop, rock, but I do want to mention that the trance, EDM, something with high frequency won't be that enjoyable because there's a little bit more high frequency on the speaker. However, you can use it from this side on that genre and it will solve the issue, as the bass comes from here and the high frequency comes from the RGB side. That is a bit annoying sometimes, but you can just place it like this or just use it from the bass side. So yeah, that's about it. But overall, if you are looking for a good speaker at about 2500 rupees, that's what I paid for it. Discount links are in the description below, so do check it out. And that's about it for today's video. Now, if you want me to compare this with the Pro version or the Plus version, then let me know in the comments below. Or if you have any doubts, then you can also leave them down below. Now, if you are looking for a party speaker, then there you go. And if you are looking for a premium speaker, then this one will definitely help. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye-bye.